You've seen the videos. Japanese children cleaning classrooms without being asked, waiting patiently, regulating their emotions. Is it culture, or is it something deeper? Today, we're looking at the neuroscience behind why Japanese kids seem so disciplined and what every parent can learn from it. In Japan, discipline isn't about punishment. It's called Shitsuke, the art of training, but with a deeper meaning, to cultivate what is already inside. It rests on three pillars: respect for others, respect for environment, and respect for self. Notice, obedience isn't one of them. The secret weapon is kata, repeated routines that carve neural pathways. When a child performs the same morning routine daily, the behavior shifts from their prefrontal cortex, the brain's conscious CEO, to the basal ganglia, the brain's autopilot. It stops being a battle of wills and becomes automatic. Here's where Western parents lose it. The Japanese concept of Mimoru means watchful waiting. When a child struggles with a shoe, a puzzle, a conflict, teachers and parents don't rush in. They wait. Why? Because struggle activates their child's prefrontal cortex. Every time you wait, you're letting their brain's CEO practice. Every time you rush, you're stealing that practice. Finally, Japanese discipline prioritizes connection before correction. Research shows that when a child misbehaves, their watchdog amygdala is barking. A lecture won't reach them, but a calm return, eye contact, a gentle hand, a quiet presence tells their brain, "You're safe. We can fix this together." The takeaway is, discipline isn't something you do to a child, it's something you cultivate within them. Start with one routine tonight. Watch them struggle without rushing. Connect before you correct. Subscribe to join parents who decode the brain, not just react to behavior.